Follow along to make this kid-friendly recipe. Although it's slime, this method is not as messy. The consistency and amount were perfect for my daughter. To make your own, you need unscented shaving cream, contact solution, baking soda, food coloring, measuring cups and spoons, school glue, and I use some cinnamon liquid to give it a nice smell. Add a half a cup of school glue and 3 to 4 cups of shaving cream to a bowl and mix well. Add a few drops of your orange food coloring and stir it in to mix the color. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add your contact solution 1 tablespoon at a time and mix. Keep adding a little more contact solution and mix until your slime begins to form. You will know it's ready when it becomes less sticky. It will begin coming off the sides of your bowl and stick together. If the slime is too sticky, add more contact solution to the mixture. Repeat the same method for the other colors. Once you've finished all of your colors, you can combine the 3 colors together to finish your candy corn slime. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.